how professionals get down slides, mudslides. But Pub Jankins here, the world's greatest outdoorsman. Today, we have the Lifestraw. All right, if you're in any situation where you don't have a viable drinking source, okay, you need one of these. You can drink pee, animal urine, and dookie water, like I'm doing today. As you see, the water, it's not the cleanest water. Haven't tested this out yet, but I'm gonna do it the only way Pub Jankins know how to do it. That's diving right in, two feet at a time. So what you do is, you open the bottom. Through there is a filter. I don't know how, I don't give a shit. This is where you do the sucking, all right? Don't put this shit on browser. What you want to do, you want to get real low in it, okay? You want to become a part of the river, okay? See the athleticism in this? Okay. Now, what it says to do is, you want to get in real close. You want to test it out first, okay? You want to see if the water is clear, okay? Taste. I'm gonna just go for it, okay? Because I am in a diabolical situation right now, okay? I haven't had water in 74 days. It tastes fine. I'm gonna drink it this time. This is how you clean it out. You do this. All right. Now I'm gonna go for it. Okay, here we go. All right. Okay. See, is that a condom? That's not a condom. Next time, I'll show you how to find food. I'm Pub Jankins. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm doing it well.